Welcome back to Lemon Lane Cottage. Thank you so much for joining me for a little bit of pre-fall coffee. Did you see my cute fall mug? I have not actually started to bring my fall pottery, my fall dishes out yet, but when I made up a few of these little coasters that I'm going to share with you today, I couldn't resist but to bring one out just to have coffee with you. This week is just all about relaxing, finding beauty, settling into the routine of the pre-holiday season. I am, for one, ready to start celebrating something, anything, and there is really so much to celebrate. When we think honestly about what happens in the world and even just the circumstances that a lot of people live in the world. We are so very blessed to be living here in America, where I can be free to sit here and chat to you about just about anything that I want to chat about. So today it's just going to be a very simple, slow video. There used to be a book called, I think it was the Gratitude Journal, Abundant Living, something like that. Maybe you guys in the comments can help me out. And in it, you were supposed to write something that you were grateful for every single day. And sometimes it was little things, sometimes it was big things, but I think the lesson in it for you and for me, it's still pertinent, is to find something to be thankful for. I think it's so very important to focus on that instead of getting caught up with whatever's in the headlines. So that being said, today's video I am bringing you yummy, yummy, yummy. These are actually stuffed cookies. This is my latest obsession, and if I'm perfectly honest with you, these were a little bit on the sweet side for me. They are actually white chocolate chip cookies, but in the center, and maybe it was me, they have strawberry cheesecake. So it sounds yummy, but I think I would tweak the sugar or tweak the white chocolate chips. Something about it, even for me, this diehard sweet lover, was just a little bit too sweet. So I gotta adjust that, but I'm having so much fun discovering stuffed cookies. Have you guys done this or seen this or tasted them? There are so many infinite possibilities. Peanut butter stuffed, caramel stuffed, anything, apple stuffed. I've seen them all and I plan on trying them all. So today it was strawberry cheesecake. Like I said, it needs to be tweaked, but that's okay. What I did find out of this, and I will post it in the comments, was a most delicious basic cookie recipe with perfect texture to it. Not too limp, not too crunchy, just perfect. So see, there's always something to be grateful for, and I am grateful for that cookie because now I could stuff it with whatever I want. And let's see, we made some cookies. I made the coasters. I want to share those with you. A few of you have asked, where do I sell what I make? And I do have an Etsy shop. Listed a couple of the coasters in there. I'm working on stocking it up for the holidays. Now that it's cooling down, I'm feeling all kinds of creative. So I will link my Etsy shop below as well. So that's really all the chit chat that I have for today. Tell me your favorite stuffed cookie, or imagine what you would like in a stuffed cookie. I've seen Snickers, I've seen s'mores, I've seen Reese cups. It doesn't have to be candy. What sounds good in the middle of a cookie? So that's all the chit chat I have for today. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope that it makes you slow down, relax, find something to be thankful for. And as always, thanks for stopping by.